Hey guys, what's up? It's Paul from Crypto Lifestyle back with another video about Matic King. It's a preview video because this thing is gonna launch in 3 days. It's designed very well. Let's see what features it has. Alright guys, we are back. So, still 3 days to go. When you're watching this video, maybe it's already launched. I will do a second video at launch and I will do live deposit here. Let's see how it works. Let's maybe do some speculation. So it basically they just started marketing. If you go to the Telegram, there are like 50 people there, but I'm pretty sure it will grow. It's good that they are doing pre-marketing, like with this counter and everything. So there's time to attract some YouTubers and wider audience. The basic daily return here is 10% every 24 hours for 21 days. So it's a total return of 210%, but actually they do have a withdrawal fee of 10%, so it's 200. Let's go to the audit. It's a haze audit, so really good. The audit has just been released today. So they have a owner's fee of 10% and 8% from every reinvest. The minimum deposit amount here is 1 Matic, and the maximum number of deposits per wallet is 100. So yeah, if you're doing like reinvests and stuff, you shouldn't go over 100. The minimum withdrawable amount is 1 Matic. So if you invest only one, you'll have to wait for a pretty long time to be able to withdraw. But if you go with 10, then you can withdraw daily. And they do also have the maximum withdrawable amount of 10,000 Matic. And that's actually pretty important. I will tell you why in a minute. If a user withdraws dividends, that will be over 10,000 Matic, he will get 10,000 Matic, but the rest will be lost. I don't know where it will go, probably to the contract. 10% of each withdrawal will remain in the contract, which means, like I said before, the total return of investment is 200% here. So your clear profit will be 100% because first you need to take your initial investment back, and your initial investment is 100%, right? So we simply deduct it from 200. And you can only withdraw once a day. And because they have like a special feature, and this is a total degen stuff, that's pretty important. And also, if you go with reinvest, you'll receive 5% bonus on your reinvested amount, and you can also reinvest only once a day. But now, the basic interest of the contract is 10% every 24 hours. Okay? You can get a 0.1% daily hold bonus. The maximum hold bonus here is 1%. So each 25,000 Matic contract balance will give all users 0.1 daily bonus. The maximum contract bonus is 0.5%, and it will increase with the contract balance, but it can also decrease with the decrement of the contract balance. Okay, and there is a community bonus here as well, so a lot of bonuses, guys. Every 250 new wallets will give the users a 0.1 the daily bonus. So new users will come also a daily bonus. So the maximum here and is 0.5% daily. So there are a few bonuses that can make this dividend you're getting higher. Also, they do have a very juicy referral system with 11.5% commission over 5 levels. So it's it's a lot, but it can attract a lot of leaders, I guess. We'll see. So it's 5% from level 1, 3% from level 2, 2% from level 3, and 1% from level 4 and 0.5% from level 5. Okay, let's go back. So you can read about this standard rules that they have, but it's always good to read the audit to understand how it works. You'll see a basic daily return of 10%, but you'll be able to get a hold bonus, community bonus, and there will be also a contract balance bonus. Okay, so here you'll be able to reinvest or withdraw once a day. The minimum is one Matic, and you'll get 5% bonus if you reinvest. There's a anti-whale measure here, so that's pretty good. And well, if any whale doesn't know about it or ignores it, he will lose money. So he will, well, if even if he will be able to earn more, he won't be able to withdraw. Okay. Yeah, there will be statistics here. Of course, you'll need your wallet, like MetaMask wallet or Token Pocket wallet, in order to be able to interact with the smart contract. This is decentralized. Remember, none of this is a financial advice, so be sure to do your own research. There is still some time to do it. I will do another video in 3 days. Thank you for watching this one. You can tell me in the comments what you think, or you can join my Telegram. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe and you'll be able to get early notifications like this on daily basis. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you soon on another video.